Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front brake hose on your vehicle. The one I'm working on right now is actually an Audi S4. It should be the same for Volkswagens, Porsches, and a lot of other vehicles. It's actually pretty similar, but on this vehicle specifically, I'm going to show you guys what you need to change that hose. So this is actually the hose that I took off. I'm going to show you guys how this goes. This one is actually right up top right there. And it's really simple to disconnect that. On the top one, I needed a 11 millimeter. And what I did is I actually put the wrench on the line right there and broke it free lightly. I did use some WD-40. You can use penetrating oil. You're going to want to soak it down just so you don't break it, but just carefully loosen it until it breaks free, and then you're able to free it up. The hose, once all the way unscrewed, will just pop straight down. And then on the other side, which actually goes into the brake caliper, you can see right there, what I needed to use for that one was a 14 millimeter. And this is the other end of it. It just slides right in there and then tightens down with this. And then when you're putting the new one in, you're just going to go ahead and reverse the order. Also, another thing is it's actually clipped on the back right here. So you want to make sure you unwedge it from there before trying to pull it out. And when you put the new one in, put the new one in the same way you took it out. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And then after that, you're probably more than likely going to need to bleed the brakes. Whatever your procedure is on your vehicle, you're going to need to perform that. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.